You bought it on release day, certain you'd build it that weekend. 2 years later, it's still shrink-wrapped behind 3 others. This is a workbook for that. Every set you own in one file, what each one cost you per piece, what's still sealed in the box, and the sets you're still hunting. It starts on the Sets tab. 1 row per set, the number, the theme, the piece count, the minifigures, whether it's built or still sealed, and what you paid. Type that in, and the workbook works out your cost per piece. That's the one comparison that works across a $50 botanical set and a $270 castle. And it's how you find out the impulse. Buy you felt silly about was better value than the flagship you agonized over. The dashboard reads every tab back to you. Sets owned, pieces on the shelf, minifigures, and the number most of us would rather not know. How many sets you own and have never built, and what that unbuilt pile cost. Not to make you feel bad, but to get one of them onto the table this weekend. The Wishlist is the hunt. Record a set's release year and whether it's still available, and the Retirement Watch column gives you a read. Anything still on shelves gets measured against a number you set yourself. How long you reckon a set stays in production. Change it, and every verdict recalculates. It's your own judgment applied to the whole list, so the set you've put off for 3 years stops hiding among the ones you added last week. It doesn't predict anything, and it doesn't pretend to. Pieces go missing. Log one on the Missing Parts tab, and the count rolls straight back onto the set and flags it until you fixed it. The Build log takes a row per building session, looks up the piece count for you, and works out your pieces per hour. And the Minifigures tab is there for the ones worth tracking one by one. It works in Excel, in LibreOffice, and in Google Sheets. And the Sheets version isn't an import you have to fix afterwards. Click Make a Copy, and a ready-made native version lands in your drive, already set up. One honest note. This workbook does arithmetic on numbers you give it. It doesn't look up what anything is worth, so it isn't an appraisal or investment advice. What it is yours. No account, no subscription, no app deciding what to show you. A file you keep that will still open in 10 years. It's called the Set Collection and Build Tracker from Ardent Workshop, and there's a free starter version if you'd like to try it first.